AC low side pressure too high? Learn causes and easy fix. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, where we break down everything you need to know in the simplest, clearest, and most exciting way possible. Now, let me ask you this. Have you ever turned on your car's AC, noticed it's not cooling the way it should, and then checked the gauges only to see that the low side pressure is way too high? Well, today we're diving into exactly that. Why your AC's low side pressure goes too high, what it really means, and the simple steps you can take to fix it. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what's happening inside your AC system, but also how to get that cold air back blowing strong. Trust me, you'll never look at your car's AC the same way again. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. Why low side pressure matters. Before we jump into the causes, let's first understand what's happening here. In a normal automotive AC system, the low side is the section that carries the refrigerant vapor back to the compressor after it's absorbed heat from inside your car. Ideally, when you hook up your gauges, the low side should read around 25 to 45 psi, depending on temperature. The high side is usually much higher, anywhere from 175 to 250 psi or more. But when that low side pressure climbs too high, like 60, 70, even 100 psi, that's a red flag. Something inside the system isn't doing its job correctly. Main causes of high low side pressure. Let's break it down. Here are the top causes you need to look out for. 1. Overcharged system. If there's too much refrigerant in your system, it can cause abnormal pressures. Instead of the refrigerant circulating and cooling properly, the system gets flooded, leading to higher readings on the low side. 2. Weak or failing compressor. The compressor is the heart of the AC system. Its job is to pull refrigerant vapor from the low side and push it into the high side. If it's weak or starting to fail, it won't pull enough vacuum. That means the low side will stay higher than normal. 3. Expansion valve or orifice tube stuck open. Think of the expansion valve as a gatekeeper that controls how much refrigerant enters the evaporator. If it's stuck open, too much refrigerant flows in, and that raises the low side pressure. 4. Condenser or cooling fan issues. If your condenser isn't getting enough airflow, maybe because of a bad fan, blocked fins, or debris, the refrigerant won't condense properly. That creates a chain reaction that affects both the high and low sides, often making the low side pressure creep up. 5. Moisture or air in the system. If air or moisture sneaks into your AC system, maybe from a leak or improper charging, it throws off the pressure balance. Air is not compressible like refrigerant, and moisture can freeze up at the expansion valve, causing all sorts of pressure issues. Symptoms you'll notice. So, what will you feel inside the car if your low side pressure is too high? Weak cooling or no cooling at all, the most obvious sign. The AC cycles on and off more than usual. The compressor clutch may not stay engaged for long. Sometimes you'll even hear unusual hissing or bubbling sounds under the hood. If you're seeing these symptoms and your gauges confirm high low side pressure, you know it's time to troubleshoot. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. How to fix it step by step. All right, let's talk solutions. Here's how you can tackle this problem safely and effectively. Step 1. Check refrigerant level. Hook up a proper gauge set and see if the system is overcharged. If it is, you'll need to safely recover the excess refrigerant using an AC recovery machine. Don't just vent it out. That's illegal and harmful to the environment. Step 2. Inspect the compressor. Listen for unusual noises. Feel the suction and discharge lines. If the compressor is weak, it may need replacement. Sadly, compressors don't heal themselves. Step 3. Check the expansion valve or orifice tube. If the system is overfeeding refrigerant, the valve or orifice could be stuck open. That means it'll need cleaning or replacement. Step 4. Look at the condenser and fans. Make sure the condenser isn't blocked with dirt, bugs, or road debris. Also, confirm that the cooling fans are kicking on when the AC is running. Poor airflow equals poor performance. Step 5. Vacuum and recharge. If you suspect air or moisture in the system, the fix is to recover all refrigerant, pull a deep vacuum with a vacuum pump for at least 30 minutes, and then recharge the system with the exact refrigerant amount specified by the manufacturer. Pro tips for prevention. Always charge by weight, not just pressure. Using a refrigerant scale is the most accurate way. Run your AC regularly, even in winter, to keep seals lubricated and prevent leaks. Change the cabin air filter. A clogged filter makes the AC work harder. And inspect for leaks early. Oil stains around fittings are a giveaway. So, to wrap it up, when your AC's low side pressure is too high, it's not just about numbers on a gauge. It's a sign that something in the system, whether it's the compressor, refrigerant level, expansion valve, condenser, or even trapped air, isn't functioning the way it should. The good news? With a little detective work and the right tools, you can pinpoint the cause and fix it, restoring that sweet ice-cold air to your car. If this video helped you understand what's going on with your AC, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow car tips. Drop a comment if you've ever dealt with AC issues like this. I'd love to hear your story. Until next time, keep your ride cool and stay safe on the road.